G'day guys, Vikrar here, hope everybody is doing well. These are heater control unit from a Audi A8 and I'm going to show you how to swap faceplate and buttons so that you can get a better result like this one on top. First thing first, you're going to take off those 4 screws. There's 4 screws around and then there's 4 tabs. In order to get the buttons out, this is exactly where you want to push. The center square, you want to push on the lips of it, and you're gonna hear them click out. When you remove the button, keep your hand underneath because there's 2 springs per button. I got plenty of those, so I don't care about losing one, but you might want to be careful. And while you're in there, clean up the temperature sensor and the fan. Then put everything back together. See, so that's not too bad. And here's a picture of before and after. And hopefully that gives you the confidence to tackle this project and make it look a little bit better. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And talk to you in the next one.